So, good day class. So now we will tackle about carpentry. So, pag naririnig nyo yung carpentry, ano yung unang naiisip nyo? So, di ba, pag unang naiisip natin, pag naririnig natin yung carpentry, is yung pagbibuild ng house, so pagbibuild ng furniture, pagpupukpok, ganyan, pagpipintura. So, yan yung mga trabaho ng mga isang karpentero. So, dito is itatakal natin kung ano nga ba yung mga iba't ibang wood joineries and tools na ginagamit. So, learning outcomes. So, number 1, explain the different types of wood joineries used in carpentry. Number 2, identify common carpentry tools and their functions. Number 3, demonstrate proper use of carpentry tools in a teaching context. Number 4, apply appropriate wood joinery techniques in basic tasks. So, number 5, evaluate the output based on the accuracy and quality. Number 6, reflect on the importance of safety and proper tool usage. So, for introduction, carpentry is a fundamental area in technical education that requires both theoretical knowledge and practical skills. Understanding wood joineries and carpentry tools is essential for producing quality work and ensuring safety in the workshop. So, dito sa carpentry daw, dapat ginagamitan natin ng theoretical knowledge and practical skills. So, kailangan both meron tayong ganito para makabuo tayo ng mga furniture na at maging maganda yung quality niya. Also, maging safe tayo kapag pag ginagawa natin yung isang pag nagbi-build ng mga structures or furniture para safe. Dapat alam natin kung paano siya gamitin or proper handling para maging ligtas tayo. So, next is wood joineries. So, wood joineries refers to the process of connecting two or more pieces of wood to form a structure. So, dito is, nakikita is kung paano nagko-connect yung mga wood and kung gaano ba siya ka-durable or hindi, or mabilis pa siya ma-attach, ganun. May iba't ibang type ng wood joineries. So, this is the common types of wood joineries. So, una dyan is batt joint. So, next is lap joint, mortise and tenon joint, dovetail joint, thumb and groove joint. So, dito sa batt joint, simple lang siya and form of joint. So, yan, parang pa-L lang siya at parang pinagdikit. Pa-L siya, pag ganyan siya. Dito, as ang ginamit is, may iba't ibang ginamit sila na para magdikit siya. And mabilis, hindi siya durable kasi mabilis siya ma-detach pag mga ganyang pagkakadugtong is madali lang siyang matanggal. So, yung mga mostly na ginagamit dyan is yung wood glue, yung nails, and minsan hand drill, or kaya may pinapasok sila sa loob na kahoy, gano'n. So, next is lap joints. So, ito yung mga nag-overlapping pieces of wood. So, naka-overlap lang siya, tapos nilalagyan na yan ng glue para naka-overlap lang siya, no? Next is yung mortise and tenon joint, strong and commonly used. So, mortise, ito yung parang may hole, and yung tenon is yung tang. So, ganyan siya, parang sinusuksok. So, makikita naman natin na kapag ganyan yung joint na, wood joineries natin is matibay siya. So, next is dovetail joint. So, dito, nakikita ko na siya, dahil maliliit yung curve niya is eksakto is yung mga ganito is matibay. And parang ginagamit din siya pang design sa mga wood natin, no? Yan, dovetail joint. So, tongue and groove joint is commonly used in flannels and flooring. So, parang yung tongue and groove joint, um, parang mortise and tenon. Pero, yung tongue and groove joint, no? Pahaba siya. So, yun yung ginagamit pag sa mga flooring. Ginaganon siya. Parang puzzle. Ganyan. Yun yung ginagamit. So, next is yung classification of carpentry tools. So, yung classification of carpentry tools, una is yung measuring tools. Tape measure, tri-scale, steel ruler. So, cutting tools, handsaw, and chisel. So, next naman is driving tools. Yung hammer, mallet, ayun yung ginagamit na pang pukpok or driving tools. No? Yung pang boring tools naman is hand drill or barena. Yung panggawa ng hole. And next is yung OV output requirement. So, OV output is in our instructions is we need to select one type of wood joinery, identify tools to be used, prepare materials, perform demonstration, explain the procedure, and submit documentation and written explanation. So, in this output, we need to choose wood joinery. So, ang napili ko is a bad joint. Kasi simple lang siya and mostly yung mga available na material sa bahay is magagamit, no? And simple lang siya gawin. So, yun. Kaya ang napili ko is bad joint. So, yung mga nagamit ko na tools and materials is tape measure para pang measure sa plywood, pencil pang mark, so handsaw yung pang cut ng wood, hammer, ito yung pang pokpoko, so nails, ito yung pang pastel. So, ayun yung magsisilbing para magdumikit yung dalawang wood. So, first, ang ginawa ko sa procedure, so, prepare the materials muna. So, dito sa demonstration and procedure, prepare the materials. Una, ginawa ko is gumamit ako ng tape measure. So, para correct yung length na gusto ko. So, next is use pencil to draw lines where the wood will be cut or joined. So, yan, nagmark na ako using pencil. Next is a handsaw is kinat ko siya according to the lines na minarkahan ko kanina. So, next is pinosition ko na siya into 90-degree angle and use nails and hammer to secure the pieces together. So, yun, pinukpo ko na siya and ito na yung naging kalabasan niya. So, ito. Yan. Yun na yung naging kalabasan niya. Yan. Diba? That is butt joint. So, makikita nyo dyan yung pako. Ayan yung pako. So, yun lang naman yung ginamit ko. Also, this documentation, this butt joint is easy to perform and I use basic tools in making this. Also, it is suitable for me like in beginners kasi madali siyang gawin. So, also, it may however, yung butt joint kasi is hindi siya gaanong ka-durable or gatibay kasi madedetach siya pag inano mo siya, pinorsh mo siya. So, hindi siya ganun ka-strong or ka-tibay. So, concept summary, wood joinery concept wood pieces, different joints serve different purposes, carpentry tools have specific functions, Proper tool handling is essential. Safety must always be observed. Demonstration is important in teaching skills. Accuracy affects output quality. Practice improves competency. So, yan lang. So, thank you for listening and I hope you have learned class in our carpentry discussion.